everyone. We missed out on a day. Yesterday there was a winter storm and we got stuck out at sea. Pretty scary to be honest, but with shaking, rock and everything, so we were stuck here. We just circling the island of Kauai all day yesterday. But today we finally get to dock. It's a little rainy right now, it's supposed to clear up. We have a full itinerary because instead of having 2 full days, we have 1 day. And we have to be back on the boat by 5. So we're going to try to pack in as much food, beach, and just sightseeing as possible. So, bring you guys along. Sorry, this is going to end up only being 9 vlogs instead of 10 because we didn't film the day at sea. I get kind of car sick, so being at sea all day with the boat being that bad is kind of awful. So, hopefully today's a lot better. For breakfast. See you guys along. We're going into Safeway to try to find these seasonings, but imagine coming out of your grocery store and that's just your views over there.
And look at the chicken.
We're gonna release some chickens at home.
This is bit. So we got a lot of good goodies, a lot of genuine Hawaiian like seasonings. There's this like char siu that my uncle used to make, which is really good, so we got stuff for that. Also got the teriyaki mix, and we make hibachi all the time, so I'm gonna use that. And then a couple other things someone mentioned, recommended guava jam, so we got that. Okay, so we got this one, the Aloha teriyaki sauce. Got the Aloha soy sauce, the old Hawaiian recipes Kiawi smoked barbecue sauce, Hawaiian guava jam, then we got the char siu Chinese barbecue seasoning powder mix, got Hawaiian iced tea, Hawaiian style curry, Hawaiian spicy chicken, 3 different kinds of sea salts, and hot Cheetos because not having these on the boat is killing me. So that's our haul. Now we're gonna go over to Granola House because when we went over there they hadn't opened yet, and we're gonna get some acai bowls.
For her.
She can get the other one. Ready?
But add peanut butter to mine.
Okay, I'm gonna do the Wailua bowl.
Okay.
And then the Wailua smoothie.
You're getting both of those? I want the Kauai
And your name?
Sam. And then can I also do the Hawaiian bowl?
Yeah.
And the Kalia smoothie.
It's going to be $51.31 altogether. Thank you. And tap there when you're ready. And then we'll call you when that's ready at the next window.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
There's just a chicken staring at them over there.
Should I do no receipt? Is that okay? Serve peanut butter.
Alright. This is good.
pink cold foam to the top? And then can I do a 16 ounce of the ice cold brew? And can I add lavender, vanilla, and the pink sweet cold foam? And then the pumpkin bread.
That's it.
Yep, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Your name?
Sam.
What was that?
Sam.
Sam.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I need ice. So we also got pumpkin bread to try. You don't get to see her. She's short from the real. It's tiny.
24, 25, and 26.